In the video. I don't think I am.
Only me? Okay, it has to be like that off-camera shot. I can't be really looking.
That's too far from your face. Turn the fucking camera. Right there. Just do it like that. But back up some. So close. Yeah, just like that. That's normal.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Do I look at the camera when I talk, or what?
I mean, you can.
That's kind of weird.
Alright, so what's the question I'm gonna start out with so you know what the answer?
Can I do my voice exercises? Can I? The fuck? Underlay. Motorcycle. Alright, I think I'm ready.
Alright, so like I said, what's the first question let me ask you? You say you want to tell a story, so what do you want me to ask you so you can tell your story? Because remember, I got to get my mama's childhood and shape in her.
Fuck, stop it.